Hey everybody, it's Chaz. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, y'all. So today I'm starting this video outside because I'm be giving y'all a look into my life, look into how I live. I'm be giving y'all my very first apartment tour. This is not my first apartment, but this is my first tour on YouTube. So y'all, to some it might not be much, but to me this is a very big accomplishment. I saved my money to get this place, and I'm so proud of it. It's the first place that I got to decorate as my own. So y'all, join me on the tour. If you're interested, just stay tuned. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe. Yeah, y'all, look at my little rug I got this from Walmart. So, okay guys, so when you first come into my house and close the door, this is our door. And then we have a light right here. I was gonna do it with the lights off, but I didn't think I was gonna be able to see. But yeah, so this is our little thermostat. We have one down here, then we have one upstairs. And then we got all wooden floors. And then this is our storage closet. We'll just keep like vacuum, mop, dustpan, stuff like that, you know, ugly stuff. Then y'all, this is our kitchen. We do have stainless steel appliances. And so yeah, it's not much in the kitchen, but it's really cute. I like the counters. I like that they're white. At least, I mean, these up here, the cabinets. I'm sorry, these the counters. But yeah, I like the cabinets. And then we have the microwave. I like it like this too, because I don't like when it just be dry on the cabinet and shit. I mean on the counter and shit. So then yeah, we have this island where our sink and our dishwasher is. And then we just got a couple of decorations. And then I bought this, which is a little chalkboard. It says Hottie House, Chaz, Stage, and Milan. Those are named me and my roommates. So yeah, it says love, peace, and prayer. Y'all can tell I did this. It's a real childish light. And then this is our living room. I decorated it. It's not much, but it's actually really pretty to me. All of this is affordable. These decorations very affordable. I didn't spend over $100 decorating. And I got this. This was what was expensive. This candle, I got this from Walmart. It says coconut sands. Have yet to light it. I'm probably not gonna light it. It's kind of just for decoration. And then yeah, y'all, this is my roommate's little wax candle. She'll plug it up and then it be like melting and stuff. And then this is a sign that I got. It says together we have it all. This one says bless our nest. So yeah, y'all, if I was to stand from over here, this is what the living room, our main area, common area looks like. And we have these little red stools. Yep, I think it's like a 50-inch TV if I'm not mistaken. Then we have these two little candles right here that we also never light. They're really just decoration. So then this room A is my roommate's room, but I'm not gonna go into her room. I'm gonna give her privacy. And then this is our balcony. Somebody is on the balcony right now, but I'm just gonna give y'all a little look. So yeah, the balcony is actually not that big. It's pretty small. And then you have the pool and the little court where they play volleyball and stuff. So moving on up, these are stairs. Think about this apartment. Well, it's a townhome, but think about this place. It has a lot of fucking stairs. So yeah. And here go another light switch. So hardwood floors again, but the stairs are carpet. So yeah, when we first go down here, you'll have my roommate Deja's room, room C, and then another room that's just empty, room D. Everybody has locks on their door, so when you leave you can lock your door. Here's another light. They're all connected as you can see. And then here's that second thermostat, that would be ours. Then you go all the way back here. That's where the fuck the queen lives. There's just a little boiler room. Nothing too cute. But the good thing about my room is that it is right by our washer and dryer. So yeah, Whirlpool washer and dryer. And then this where the queen bee stay. Queen C. Yeah, don't play. So as soon as you come in, you're gonna see my little. This I'm gonna add like pictures of me and my friends. Like some of my boyfriend's artwork is gonna go here. This is really just supposed to be like a collage wall. But yeah, when you first walk in, it says Hollywood, and then it has a lot of old rock bands and girl groups. So then when you come in, you just kind of get a look of everything. These are my boyfriend's posters. This one's really cute. I like this one. And then this one, I like the floating eye on this one. And then yeah, you have my little girly bed set. Only thing I don't like about my bed set that there's literally no freaking fluff in this comforter, so we usually use my boyfriend's. Then this is my little serving tray that I put my key and my phone or whatever. We eat on that, so whenever we eat upstairs, we eat on the tray so that there's not crumbs in the bed. And then I got this little hook right here where I put, sometimes I put my keys on there, but I really just keep my purses there. And I got the little wall clock, which is probably broken, which I need to put batteries in. And then I have this Tupac poster. I actually got me and my boyfriend that one, but so we got matching Tupac posters. And his is over his tattoo wall in his room. So then this one, it says no one is you and that is your power. I got this off of Etsy and I keep it above my head. You know, confidence booster. And then this is my mirror. I like zoomed out on it because I cleaned it with a freaking disinfectant wipe like a dum-dum. And so it's a little smear. So I need to go get some, this me y'all, real thick. Don't play like that. But I need to go get some window cleaner. Then this is my little ring light I use for my lashes and my videos. So then yeah, when you get to my little smoke area, this is my little cannabis area. You see the little stoner skeleton, and then you'll see my drawer. Most of my clothes are in my drawer. If they're not in my drawer, then they'll be under my bed. It's a lot of bins and boxes and, you know, little stuff under my bed. I have a lot of storage area under my bed that I like. They have my bed sitting up really high. So then my little rug, you know, it's cute or whatever for what it is. So yeah, back to my smoking area, y'all. This one's real organized. Got my humidifier, my essential oils, raw papers. We do use a lot of raw products. Raw papers, raw cone tips, my rolling tray, just a little backup swishers just in case, because we stay having to run to the store. And then yeah, y'all, I got my little portable hookah from Hookah Hut. It's really fucking cute. And this I got because I will be going on my pediment journey because I lost like 30 fucking pounds when I was in Chicago. So I haven't opened it up yet. I have 2 of these bottles I have to start though. I'm gonna vlog that. And then just a bottle of Febreze because I love my shit to stay smelling good. And then my ashtray, which it broke, but we still use it. So yeah, my little ashtray. We got some pictures from when we went go-kart racing. And then another candle. As y'all can see, I'm a candle addict. Another candle. I haven't opened this one yet though, so it's giving decoration vibes. And then got my little vape. And then this was my pre-roll. This actually hit decent, even though my boyfriend was hating. So yeah, it's Packwoods LA. And then yeah, y'all, just got my little blunt splitter. I got my hand of wisdom from when I had my third eye nail set. And then just my little incense holder, my little whatnots. Then you come over here. This is the girly station. This is what brings home the bacon. I meant to fix this. I'm sorry, y'all. I have like OCD for real. So yeah, y'all. This is just my little pink collage. It's really cute. One says trapped in my mind. I actually look at that one a lot because I really do be trapped inside my own mind. And then you just have my little bed that I do lashes on. And then here are 2 more posters. This one is actually like my favorite because he's on shrooms smoking hookah. I just think it's really hilarious. And then this is my work area, aka desk area. It's just some lash stuff under there from when I was a student. taking lash courses. And then my MacBook, you know, this is just my lash band. All my lash supplies are in here. So then my glasses for lashes is in here, and my fan. And I just got a little flower. And then y'all can see my diploma. Don't play like that. And when I graduate undergrad, it's gonna replace that one. So I'm gonna put my undergrad degree in the form of my diploma. Probably hang my diploma up. But I just got these as a reminder. It says grind, hustle, execution, just to show me that anything that I want to accomplish, any goal I want to accomplish, I can get there through grind, hustle, and execution. And this is not supposed to be in it. It's actually just, you know, taking up space. This is supposed to be downstairs in that little storage cabinet. But yeah, y'all, then top it off, we got my prom picture. Don't play like this. And then yeah, look out the window, another pool view. So yeah, so now that's about all of my room. I'm gonna go to my bathroom. Every suite has a bathroom inside their room. So first come in, you see my little sexy tiger. And I didn't clean my mirror, so don't mind it. But yeah, y'all, this is what my bathroom looks like. Got some vitamins, girly products. Got my Sunny Sensations on deck, don't play. Then I got this bath salt scrub, our toothbrushes, smell good stuff. And I keep all my like hygiene, you know, hair stuff, yeah, all of that clean up stuff down here. And then this is the funniest part about the bathroom, y'all, because when I bought this, it's actually not big enough to fit the whole seat cover, so it just kind of sit there looking too small, and I think it's funny, so I just keep it there. And then y'all, here goes some old candles for my bathroom, and then here are my decorative towels and my little motivational let that shit go. I just thought that was hilarious. So then here got my big sexy tiger. Some people might say I do too much. I think I don't do enough. And then I got the little scale and everything. So that kind of ties together. I ain't gonna lie, y'all. This one I had to get last minute because I forgot that when you step out of the shower, the floor be wet and I don't like that. But they got all my stuff. So then I got a garden tub. I wish we had the jets, but yeah. Then shower head. Not too schmancy. So yeah, I like that it's like oval shaped. Then last but not least, we have our closet. I'm gonna tell y'all now, a lot of my clothes aren't hung up. Like I said, they're under my bed or in my dresser. But a lot of my boyfriend's clothes are hung up, so yeah. Closet could be more, you know, organized, but my boyfriend did this, so we're gonna give him a pat on the back. Look at all my extra loose weave, y'all. So yeah, just then I have, you know, stuff on this side. Yeah, my closet's kind of deep, so yeah, y'all, that's my little humble abode. So yeah, not bad at all. So yeah, y'all, that concludes my apartment tour. If you liked it, make sure you like, make sure you comment, and make sure you subscribe. Make sure y'all stay tuned for my other videos. I will be doing a seafood mukbang with my roommate soon, so look out for that. But yeah, bye.